Okay, so hi everyone. I'm going to be showing us how to transfer our blog and its content from one site to another, and I'll be using my school's blog as an example. So the first thing we're going to do after logging into your blog, obviously, is that you go to your dashboard and then you go all the way down to tools, and you'll see the import, export, and delete. We don't want to delete, so we are going to export. And it's going to ask you what you want to export. I suggest exporting all the content instead of just post, pages, or media. So we click on all content and download export file. And now you can see it's downloaded. This is the one, this new one. And just to be sure, you can find it in your downloads. It's right here. So let's just hold on to that. The next thing you're going to do is to create a new blog on a hosting address that is compatible with what you are currently using. So at the moment, you can see that this is like WordPress. So I would suggest also creating a new site with WordPress. So because this is for an organization, WordPress.org is a paid version. So create a new tab and go to wordpress.com. And here you would see login, get started. So let's get started. And to create your account, you can continue with Google, Apple, GitHub, or email. Let's continue with email, and then I'm going to put my personal mail, not the school mail. That's not the school, so your personal mail. And continue. And it's going to ask us to have a name, and let me just say Princess RN probably. It's asking us to claim first domain, but I think we should start with this free option. Start free because we're just trying to import. I don't want to pay for anything. Free, thank you. And so your site is ready, and here you can see your name, and we don't have a site title, we don't have anything yet. Okay, let's give our site a name. But the most important thing is importing the file we just exported. We can do all these settings later. These are not important. Save changes. Now, most important thing is on this new site you've just created, you would come again to tools, right? And then you now click import. There are two ways to import. You can either import the site itself or the file you downloaded. So these are the different ways to import. You can import from WordPress, or you can run this other. There are two ways that is compatible with what we just did. We can either like just click the link from our blog here and import it here, or we can use this import post pages etc from the WordPress export file. So let's use this. and it's going to tell you to upload. So now we have it here, and we open. And so we wait. Original site is this one, and then it says we'll assign you to auto volume important content, yes, and import. And when the import is ready, we would be sent an email that the import, it doesn't take time, I think probably 1 minute or 2 minutes, because the site wasn't large, it's just cool stuff. But I don't want to close the window because I want us to just like see straight up when it's ready. So waiting for the email. Let's see. Oh, hooray! It's ready. And now I have received a mail that it's ready. And let's continue. Pick a design, or we can either pick a design or we skip straight to the dashboard. I just want to show you that the site, everything was ready. So let's skip straight to the dashboard. So this is the home page, and now we can see by going here, visit site, we can see that it's imported everything on the other page. So this is like the name of this new site, and we can see that it has all the contents, everything. How do I go down? Everything from the previous. Okay, this is the about page, exactly as it was, just a different theme. You can edit this, but this was in the previous page, and it still like has the exact date and everything. And then over here, how do I come over here? You can see that all the contents, how do I all the contents? All the contents are here. That's an assessment, seasonality. It's password protected. I'm not going to put that, but it shows that everything is right here. All the contents. Yep, and the CV is here. Hold on. So like everything was imported. Every single thing was imported. All right. So that is how to. This is and the thesis is also here. Let's check that out. It's not password protected. Yes, everything was successfully imported. So this is how to do it. Thank you. Bye.